Discover the beauty of the Turkish language. Learn with passion. Grow with knowledge. Turkish Language Academy. Learn Turkish with us.
Welcome to Turkish Language Academy. Let's begin today's lesson.
Öğretmen vs. Hoca. What's the difference in Turkish? At first glance, öğretmen and hoca both seem to mean teacher, but in real Turkish, they are not interchangeable in all situations. Let's break it down clearly. Number 1. Öğretmen, the official teacher. Basic meaning. Öğretmen means a professionally trained, officially appointed teacher, used mainly in formal education. Now the question is, where is it used? Öğretmen is used in primary school, secondary school, high school, official institutions. Examples: Ben bir öğretmenim. Ben bir öğretmenim. I am a teacher. Öğretmen bugün derse geç geldi. Öğretmen bugün derse geç geldi. The teacher came late to class today. Matematik öğretmenimiz çok iyi. Matematik öğretmenimiz çok iyi. Our math teacher is very good. Important note: in schools, calling someone öğretmen is correct, respectful, formal.
2. Hoca, more than just a teacher. Basic meaning. Hoca means someone who teaches, guides, or has deep knowledge. It is more flexible, cultural, and informal than öğretmen. Common uses of hoca. 1. Religious teacher or imam. Cami hocası, Kur'an hocası. Example: Hoca vaaz verdi. Hoca vaaz verdi. The religious teacher gave a sermon. 2. University teachers, very common. In Turkey, students almost always call university teachers hoca, not öğretmen. Examples: Hoca bugün sınav yapacak. Hoca bugün sınav yapacak. The professor will give an exam today. Hocam, bir soru sorabilir miyim? Hocam, bir soru sorabilir miyim? Teacher, may I ask a question? Even professors with titles, doctor, professor, are called hocam in daily speech. 3. Skilled or knowledgeable person. Hoca can mean expert or master or mentor, even outside education. Examples: Bu işin hocası o. Bu işin hocası o. He is the master of this job. Adam tam hoca ya. Adam tam hoca ya. That guy is really an expert. 4. Polite and warm address. Hocam is also used as a respectful and friendly form of address, even for strangers. Examples: Hocam, bir bakar mısınız? Hocam, bir bakar mısınız? Sir, could you take a look? Hocam, bu otobüs Kadıköy'e gider mi? Hocam, bu otobüs Kadıköy'e gider mi? Sir, does this bus go to Kadıköy? Here, hoca doesn't mean teacher. It means something like sir or respected person. 3. Can we replace one with the other? Now, an important question. Can we replace öğretmen and hoca with each other? The short answer is no, not always. It depends on the situation. If we are talking about primary school or high school, the correct word is öğretmen. In universities, the correct and most natural word is hoca. For religious teaching, such as an imam or Quran teacher, we also use hoca. When we talk about a formal job title, especially in official contexts, the correct word is öğretmen. But if someone is an expert, a mentor, or a master of a skill, we naturally say hoca. And in daily life, when we politely address someone on the street, we again use hoca or hocam. Now, some important mistakes to avoid.
calling a school teacher Hoca sounds unusual in Turkish, and calling any mom öğretmen is incorrect. So remember, the word you choose always depends on context, culture, and situation. Emotional and cultural difference. Öğretmen is formal, official, job-based. Hocam is respectful, warm, cultural, sometimes emotional. That's why hocam feels closer in daily Turkish. Many comparison examples. Öğretmenim bana ödev verdi. Öğretmenim bana ödev verdi. My teacher gave me homework. Hocam anlamadım. Hocam anlamadım. Teacher, I didn't understand. O iyi bir öğretmen. O iyi bir öğretmen. He is a good teacher by profession. O bu işin hocası. O bu işin hocası. He's the master of this work. Final tip for learners. If you're in school, say öğretmenim. If you're in university or daily life, say hocam. If you want to sound natural and Turkish, use hocam wisely. That's all for today's lesson at Turkish Language Academy. If you enjoyed learning Turkish with me, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next video. Hoşça kalın.